Hello all. Some students asked me how to submit their assignments, and here it is. For example, this is week 5, and this was one of the assignments, the flyer that the students were supposed to create. When you click on this assignment here and you click Browse My Computer, after you click there, imagine that this is the assignment you have created. You double click on it and you see it is right here. And then you click submit. That's the way you create your assignments. And if you have any questions, just let me know and I will help you. And another student was asking me about how to download free Microsoft Office from the website of the college. And in order to do that, you have to access your student email account, which is right in here. And I am sure many of you know where it is located. And then while you are there, and hopefully my login name is there, yeah, password, everything is okay. And if you also look at here, it says install Office. I click there and I click on this button here, and it downloads Office 365, and it is the 2019 version. It downloads it on your computer, and when you click here, after you download it, you will see Word, Excel, and you will be able to use Microsoft Office. That is if you have any questions, you just let me know. Hello all. Some students asked me how to submit assignments. To submit assignments through Blackboard, you will click here, and here is the assignment, a flyer that we were talking that you wanted to submit. And you click here, and you look for the assignments that you have created. Browse My Computer, browse, and then suppose this is the assignment, you double click, and here is the assignment, and you click submit. Also, another student was asking me how she could download free Microsoft Office. When you log in to your student email account, which you will see it here, here is install Office, and here Office 365. When you click here, it downloads it on your computer. As you all know, to get access to your student email account, you have to click here, and then you have to click here, and then you put your login name and password, and it sends you right here, and then you will be able to access free Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint,